Tuta absoluta is a very big problem when it comes to farming tomatoes, and it's proving even very hard to control it using chemicals due to the current advocacy for safe foods and healthy foods that are produced organically. The best way to go about controlling tuta absoluta is through biological and cultural means. So in this video we are going to look at a very simple way to control tuta absoluta that is effective and requires very little cost. Tuta absoluta affects foliage in tomatoes as well as the fruit. This can result in very big losses, and therefore you need to take control measures as early as possible, considering the fact that when it destroys the leaves, it harbors photosynthesis, which is very vital towards produce quality fruits. Also, tuta absoluta renders the fruits unmarketable. It creates a defect in the fruits, and also it lowers the quality, therefore reducing the profit margins for a farmer. You can effectively control tuta absoluta using this simple device. This is simply a trap that you can make yourself at home, but in the middle here we have this small container that you open, and then in the middle put some pheromone. Pheromone is basically for creating a scent that will attract the tuta absoluta. Then you put in the middle here, and then now you put water in the trough. The water is so that when the tutas are attracted towards the pheromone, they will crawl and come in here, and then they will drown in the water. You can also add some soap in the water so that the pest gets to drown in the water and die. So these are very effective means to control tuta absoluta. Guys, remember to subscribe for more contents like this, and also like, comment and share. Thank you.